Hello Libras, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your October month reading regarding the question what your person's next move, and this will be a general reading. It may resonate you or may not. Please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. And else, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. As you're seeing that I have already shuffled cards and spread them out. So this is your spread, and let's start your reading without any further delay. Underneath the deck, you are having two cards, High Priest and Six of Swords. So here, I'm seeing that your person wants uh, to move forward in this connection to build it in a strong level. They strong level it can be if you people are new, so this person wants to take this relationship to the next level in a love connection, like in a soulmate connection. If you people are already in a soulmate connection, this person wants it to take to the next level, like in a marriage connection. They want to make it official. Or if you are already in a marriage, so your person was recently traveled away from you for the work purpose. So, or maybe they want to travel away from you for the work purpose. This is their next move. Or if you were in a breakup, this person wants to have you back in their life. They want to resolve all misunderstandings, and they want to come out from this fight, and they want peace. They want peace in your surrounding. They want peace in your connection. So that's why this person is ready to talk. This person is ready. This person is spying over you. This person wants to talk to you, or maybe this person is trying to tell you something through other people's, or maybe this person want to gather information about you from your social media account, because this person wants to build this connection. But this person is not taking any action, because this person is just spying over you. This person wants you to take action. That's why they are waiting for the right move, maybe. Or maybe they are waiting for to gather their strength after this strength, after becoming strong to take action or to take decision. This person will come forward, but this time they are waiting for the right time. When the right time will come, they will move forward with you or towards you to have this connection back, to build this connection back. But this time this person is ready to have you back in their life, and they want to have they want to bring you on a same page with them. But this time they are very much stronger, maybe. Or maybe they want to become strong, or they want to get strength within themselves to talk to you this time, maybe. So this is their next move, that they want to come out from the fighting situation, and they want peace in this situation. But right now they are just spying over you and trying to send you messages indirectly, like through other people's, or maybe just trying to gather information from your social media. But this person this time is not coming forward by themselves, and they just and they are not talking directly to you. So this is their next move. They're waiting. So there is a waiting period. They are waiting. So you also have to wait for, because if this person is not coming forward and they are waiting for you to come, so you have to wait. After some time, when they gather energies, when they gather strength to talk to you, they will talk. So because in their mind they want peace, and now they want to resolve the situation. So Libras, that was your reading. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment, blue like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.